Hi Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Energy reading for the month of January 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get into the reading, for more Twin Flame guidance and reading, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. For the prediction for Twin Flame readings and guidance for the year of 2021, I will leave the link down below in the description box. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Capricorn, so let's look at into your energy for your Twin Flame and Soulmate connection reading for the month of January 2021. Capricorn, please know that this is a collective and general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you here, Capricorn. It's important for you to check your moon, your rising or your Venus sign if this message and if this reading does not resonate with you. And if this reading resonates with you, Capricorn, please don't forget to like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will also be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Alright, so let's look at into your person energy here, Capricorn. Alright, so on this side here is your energy, Capricorn, and on this side is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be reversible or vice versa here. Now, looking at the sign that I'm getting for you here, Capricorn, I'm getting water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and I've also gotten fire sign here, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart here, Capricorn. Now looking at your energy here, I've got the Knight of Cups, the Seven of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles coming up here. So for a specific group of you here, Capricorn, you are getting a love offer or just some sort of a flirty type of messages here from your person here, Capricorn. It's like they are trying to win you back. That kind of energy is what I'm getting very strongly for you here, Capricorn, especially with this Knight of Cups. As you can see here, someone is actually holding up a bucket of roses and waiting for you outside. So I do feel like some of you here have been getting a lot of messages here from your person that trying to win you back. This could also be, like sending you some sort of a gift for the Christmas and for the New Year. This could also be, some of you could have your birthday coming up, or like in the past year, and then suddenly getting out some sort of a messages or some sort of like unexpected gift, I would say here. And not only a surprise visit, not only an unexpected gift or unexpected surprise coming up for you here, Capricorn, but this is also including the offer of restarting the relationship. They definitely want to win you back here, Capricorn, and there is no doubt on that. However, from your energy here, I'm getting the Seven of Wands and the Two of Pentacles coming up here. It seems like you are at this point of time in a defensive mode, I would say here, Capricorn, especially with the Seven of Wands. As you can see here, you are turning your head away on with all these offers and with all these messages coming up here. So there is definitely some kind of imbalance energy. I would say like you kind of like not sure if this is what you need to do. Some of you are still on to having that past energy here, like the separation or the breakup between both of you here is still affecting you up until this particular point of time. So you definitely need some time to weighing up the option and just like getting yourself together, and still at this point of time in this thinking and weighing up your option, whether you should actually let them in or you should just completely close the door for once and for all here, that kind of energy. But I'm definitely getting a very defensive energy coming up for you here, Capricorn. It seems like you are almost done, or it seems like you kind of like feeling tired about all this waiting game here. And there is also a little bit part of you here that is kind of like unsure whether if your person coming back here and if you let them in here, it's going to be for good, or are they going to just like running away again, and like all this running and chasing thing will just like resume back here. And you are also having this fear within yourself here, Capricorn, thinking that if you just let them in or if you respond to them here, they might just ghost you again. So you kind of like a little bit afraid to have your hopes high up here as well, Capricorn. I've also got the Justice card coming up here. So for a very specific group of you here, Capricorn, you could be dealing with some sort of a legal system or legal issue here, such as a legal separation, divorce, or anything surrounding the legal thing coming up here. And if you do here, Capricorn, you basically going like all these things involving this legal system and legal issue will be going on in your favor here, Capricorn, so you don't have to worry about that. Now let's look into your person energy here, Capricorn. I've got the Seven of Swords, the Two of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles. It's quite interesting because I've also already gotten the Two of Pentacles coming up for you here as well, Capricorn. So both you and your person are still trying to balance up yourself, are still trying to balance up your emotion. I will not lie, I'm getting a very strong frustrated energy coming out from your person here. I do feel like some of them are kind of like getting frustrated with you and with all this behavior and attitude that you're putting out there here, Capricorn. Again, I'm not supporting your person here, don't get me wrong, but it's like they feel like they have tried their best, they've put out all the effort to win you back. This is how they're thinking at this point of time, and it seems like all this effort and all this, all these flirting messages, everything that they're doing at this point of time to win you back here, Capricorn, it seems like it's not giving them any satisfaction. It's also not giving them any fruitful, there's literally nothing they can see of all their effort is actually working for them. So this is kind of like making them a little bit of frustrated energy coming up here, especially with this Seven of Swords energy. Part of them is kind of hoping that you will let them in. Part of them is kind of hoping that you will just be there to welcome them with open arm here. So there's definitely a little bit ego clash here between you and your person here, Capricorn, because I feel like both of you want to have the same thing. Both of you want to have this union and want to have this, this relationship work together here. But both of you are kind of still up in your ego. I would say that coming up from you here, Capricorn, you're still healing from all the past, which is somehow making you having this defensive wall being built up surrounding yourself. While coming out from your person here, they feel like they have tried their best, but it just seems like nothing is working. So they feel like they're currently feeling stuck within themselves and they don't know what else they need to do, how else are they supposed to woo you and how else are they supposed to win you back here, because they desperately want to win you back here, Capricorn. They're just not sure what else they need to do at this point of time. So this is kind of like leaving them feeling confused. I've also got the King of Swords energy coming up here with the Three of Swords. So surprisingly here is that, not so surprisingly here, is that the separation and the breakup between both of you here is actually hurting them really, really bad, especially with this Three of Swords energy. They're actually feeling heartbroken. And with the King of Swords energy coming up here, Capricorn, I do feel like they've come back as quite a changed person, where they are at this point of time here, they're going to be more open with their communication, as well as they're going to be more open with the emotion here, Capricorn. And I've also got the Empress energy coming up here. So if you choose to get back with your person, and if you choose to let down all your defensive wall here, Capricorn, just a heads up, I'm getting a very strong pregnancy energy coming up here as well. So if you are not ready to have children, if you're not ready to get pregnant, just make sure that you have some sort of a protection here. All right, so let's look into the advice. All right, so the advice that I've got for you here, Capricorn, I've got freedom. Live wild and free, choose your freedom, claim your independence. And then I've got delight coming up here. Count your blessings and enjoy life. Take pleasures in simple things. Always expect the best. So yeah, I think this is also confirming the whole reading coming up here. There is a part of you that want to always expect the best here. So it's definitely a good energy to always expect the best, but at the same time here, do not let all those expectations limiting yourself here. So it's time for you to let go and to release all this limited self-belief coming up here. Release the expectation and surrender to the outcome here. Of course, if you want to accept your person back coming back into your life here, the most important thing here is that the boundaries. Make sure that both of you have a healthy and open communication about the boundaries here, so both of you can come from the same place of respecting each other's boundaries. Alright, so that's it for your reading here, Capricorn. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.